It's like...
It's just like this.
Like this?
And there's like Father up here.
And his tongue is hanging out.
No. He's like, his head is on the side like that.
So gaya-gaya ang
Parang tao.
kapatid mo.
Pinigaya niya.
Pinigaya niya. Gund brand.
You have teddy bears?
No, not at all. I think I had one when I was a kid. I remember it was gray. And I had it. My mom still has it until now.
Really?
When I visited her 3 years ago, there's a room just in case, you know, me and my brother want to come back. And the bear was sitting on the bed.
Oh.
With its, you know, it's old na, matanda. Tapos wala siyang mga mata.
Oh.
Yeah. And it's, yeah, it's, I don't know, it's so old, but it still looked like it was in good shape. It was from Germany when I was 5, I think.
Cute.
Yeah.
My sister has one that's her age. Susie.
It's called Susie?
Susie. Yeah. Para sa akin, I had one, Mr. I can't remember his real name because my sister used to call him Mr. Stinky Winky. She would make fun of him.
Mr.
So now I don't remember his real name.
What kind of name is it?
She's making
pangalan yan.
in Asanya. So nakalimutan ko yung totoong
But
pangalan.
it was mabaho?
Yeah. No, it wasn't. She was mean. She was mean. No, she wasn't.
You didn't play with Barbies and dolls and things like that? And dress up and you put
Barbies.
clothes on them?
Yeah,
fashion
no,
stuff.
matindi ako sa Barbies.
Oh yeah?
My sister used to make me Barbie clothes.
Really?
Yeah. And then that's what got me interested in sewing.
Ah, okay. So she inspired you.
Pero she didn't carry on with it. Now I make her clothes.
What does she do now?
She's an electrical engineer.
Ah, okay. And her husband's a doctor.
No, her husband's an accountant, but he left his accountant in-law because he sees action all the time. He always has so many stories for us.
Of action?
Yeah,
Okay.
action.
Yeah, that's why, too. Always have to keep moving.
He was like, when he was an accountant, he got so bored and fat.
Imagine that. From accountant to a cop? Iba. Super.
Yeah.
But he loves his job now. Or
Oh, he loves it.
Really?
He was so unhappy being
an accountant.
an accountant, but he was doing super well.
Pero hindi siya masaya.
No, he was like, he hated going to work. He loves his job now. My sister?
Pero yung sister, ano iniisip niya tungkol ang trabaho ang asawa mo?
I think minsan natatakot siya or kinagabahan siya.
Diba?
Kasi he works 4 days on, 4 days off, but he works straight, halos straight, and night shifts. So.
But in Canada, right?
Yeah, in Canada.